Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Varsha. I hope you all are doing good. Take care of yourself. Today it's an essential shopping haul. I have purchased many products from Amazon, so I just thought to make a haul on it to show you what I have purchased and the quality, their price. There'll be two hauls on this because there are many products and I don't want to make a haul. I don't want to make a video too long to make you bored. In this video, I'll be telling you their name, price. I will display for what price I have purchased, packaging and the expiry date. Before I continue to all, please do click on like if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Let's the haul. Do you see all these boxes? I have received all these items in these boxes and some boxes I have opened it. Meet my cookie. I hope you guys have seen his video. He's very sweet. He's my cookie. He's the one, the cookie. First haul, it's based on spices. I have purchased many spices from Amazon. The first one, which is Everest Garam Masala. See this. The original price is 78. I will display for what price I have purchased. This was packed in the month of March 2020 and has 15 days. It has 15 months for the expiry. It should be used before 15 months from the packaging date. The next one, it is Sanjeev Kapoor. See there. I have received this box. I have ordered 6 spices, different spices, but I don't have all to show you, but I will display what I have purchased and I will share how it was. The first one, it's a meat masala. See this. The original price is 45. This was packed in month of September 2018. The expiry date is August 2020. When I ordered this Sanjeev Kapoor masala, I got a call from the distributor regarding the expiry date because there were three spices going to be expired sooner, like in the month of July and the month of August. But I didn't say anything because I don't want the amount to be credited. I want these spices because I want to check how it is. Hence I bought it. I have received it. I didn't use this one, but I have used the other one. Those are awesome. Those are nice. Now it's talking. Now the next one is egg curry masala. The original price is 39. This was packed in the month of August 2018 and this will be expired in the month of July 2020. There are two ready-made. So in this you just have to add water and just add ingredients and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. The first one is chicken curry spice mix. See this. This was packed in the month of December 2019. It will be expired in the month of November 2021. The original price is 55. The next one is mutton kolhapuri spice mix. The price is 55. This was packed in the month of January 2020, which will be expired in the month of December 2021. I will display what I have used. The remaining 3, those were awesome. I'm sorry, there were 7 masalas and not 6. My mother, she has used Govind curry masala and fish masala. She loved both. Also, she has used chicken masala, but she did not like it because that masala was quite bittery. The next one which I have purchased, it's a ghati masala. I don't have those packets to show you because my mother, she has opened those. I only have this one, only one which is left. So there was an offer, buy 2 get 2 free. But in that 4 you do receive this masala, that is Sauji masala, and 3 you get ghati masala. It is bit expensive, but trust me guys, this ghati masala is awesome. It's very tasty. Just go for it. It is expensive. It is a bit expensive, but just go for it. So this one, the original price is 60. This was packed in the month of May 2020 and has 12 months to be used. This is the one which I have purchased. It's called Gram Root Zanjanit Khati Masala. Zanjanit doesn't mean that it is very spicy. It is not at all spicy. It's a pack of 400 grams. That means one pack it's 50 grams, and in this you get Sauji masala. You can see the price also. Also have purchased Malwari masala. It's called Pallavi spices. This masala is quite expensive, but it is very tasty. Unfortunately, I do not have anything packets to show you because it has been unpacked and it has been used by me and my mother. Also, in terms of packaging, the packaging wasn't that great. The next one, it's not a spices, it's a tea, lemon tea. I'll show you. See this, Nestea lemon flavor. I'll use this. I'm using this every day. The price is 165 rupees. This was packed in the month of December 2019 and has 12 months to be used. So guys, you can use this in hot water or cold water, whatever you want, but it is very tasty. It is I'm taking it every day and I loved it. So next one which I have purchased, it's not a spices, it's a khajur and it's called exotic seedless dates. See this. The price is 650. I will display for what price I have purchased it. This was packed in the month of 2020 May and has 12 months to be used from the packaging month. Quickly I will show you how it is. See this. It's very soft. It's not so sweet like others, the others what we get in the local market, but it's very yummy. Also, I have purchased another dates which I have used for sheer kurma. I hope you guys have watched that video. If you have not, please do watch it and do let me know in the comment box about it. In terms of these dates, the brand name is Sainik Dry Fruits Mall. The taste is same, soft, not so sweet. I loved it. Next one which I purchased, it's called Taza Raita Masala. See this. The original price is 57. This was packed in the month of March 2020 and has 12 months to be used. I did not use it, but sooner I will use this how it is. Next one which I have purchased, it comes in this box. Let me open it. What is it? Okay, I found this one. It's packed in bubble wrap. Oh, this is the one. This made with pink rock salt. Wow. The brand name is Rupak. This brand is since 1958. Premium quality Kala Chaat Masala. The price, let me see, where's the price? The price is 140 rupees. I will display for what price I have purchased this. This was packed on 3rd of February 2020 and it should be used before 2nd February 2021. So when I was checking about chaat masala, I found this one, so I just thought to let me try this. I will use this. I will give my reviews in my next video. This is all for today, guys. I hope you have liked this video. Please do click on like if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your valuable time. Have a great day. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.